bathing suits.
Excuse me.
Show me your bathing suits. You look lovely in that.
Right, maybe get them to play over there so they're not in.
Oh, can you play over there, please? You look lovely in my bathing suit. No. You look lovely. Oh, this is a nice angle. Are you gonna run across like you did before for the camera?
Doing her pose.
I love her bottoms. Wearing my bathing suit.
Oh, look at Danny's. They're starting to bruise.
Oh, God. Oh, now they're behind her. They look lovely. All right, say bye, camera. Bye.